In the competitive global marketplace, manufacturing processes have become more refined than ever, and the need for precision torque tools is paramount. As a leader of industrial tools, Williams is proud to introduce the new digital torque tester, the perfect addition to your shop or manufacturing floor to test all your torque instruments. Weighing 10.7 pounds and standing just 16 inches tall and 10 inches wide, the unit is small and lightweight enough that it can easily be mounted on a wall, toolbox, or installed in a common bench vise. It features an easy-to-use, color, articulating touchscreen to customize between different units of measure and different testing modes. With an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5% of indicated test value, it makes it easy for the user to test multiple torque instruments. The tester can store data linked to serial numbers in both clockwise and counterclockwise direction, with modes including peak torque, first peak, and tracking. The rugged construction allows for a wide variety of storage and operating temperatures while still maintaining accuracy. This makes it ideal for climate-controlled facilities or for use on job sites in harsh conditions. The unit comes complete with a tester, a carrying case, an AC/DC power supply, a 9-volt AC/DC adapter, 6 AA batteries, a memory card capable of holding 500 records, and a certificate of calibration. Everything you need for an out-of-the-box performance. Correct torque is critical to maintain world-class standards in manufacturing. With the Williams Digital Torque Tester, you can rest assured that all your torque instruments are operating at peak performance.